Why automate data entry?
Manual data entry is tedious, time-consuming, and prone to errors. Automating this process frees up your time, improves accuracy, and lets you focus on more valuable work. Thanks to modern technology, you don't need to write code to get started. No-code AI tools can handle most routine data entry and content transfers automatically, streamlining daily operations for individuals and businesses.
What are no-code AI solutions?
No-code AI solutions are platforms that let you build workflows and automate tasks without programming. They often use simple drag-and-drop interfaces, allowing anyone to set up data entry bots, automate repetitive processes, and connect apps. Popular options include Zapier, Make, and Microsoft Power Automate. These tools leverage AI to recognize content, extract data, and perform actions automatically.
How to identify repetitive data entry tasks?
Start by making a list of routine tasks you perform, like copying data from emails to spreadsheets or uploading files to different services. Look for steps that require the same input each time or involve popular applications such as Google Sheets, Excel, or your company's CRM. These repetitive tasks are the best candidates for automation, allowing AI-powered tools to handle them quickly and consistently.
Setting up a no-code automation workflow?
Choose a no-code platform that supports your apps. For example, create a workflow in Zapier that triggers when you receive a form submission, extracts the information, and adds it to a spreadsheet. Drag and drop actions to outline your process. Many platforms offer templates you can customize to fit your routine tasks, making it easy to automate even complex workflows without any coding knowledge.
Scaling and optimizing your automation.
Once your basic workflow is running, explore more advanced features. Add filters to process only certain types of data, or use built-in AI tools to scan documents and extract information automatically. Regularly review your automations to ensure efficiency and accuracy. With the right no-code solutions, you can handle more data, eliminate bottlenecks, and focus on higher-value work every day.